Hello?
Hey, Xander. So yeah, picking up from where I left off last night, I had a good time with Nebulina, and I really think
Oh, hey, man, I just woke up. Can I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth and call you later?
Yeah, but I had a good time, and I think she did too, but there were a few things on the date that did bother me. She was chewing her food like a starving space slug, like making that pasting sound.
Oh, that's crazy. Hey, man, I was just gonna make some breakfast. Can I call you later?
For sure. Speaking of space slugs, remember when we saw him at the zoo in 10th grade? Field trip where we dared you to eat that 10 pounds of glorb and you drank the whole thing, I'll bubble it up.
I gotta hop on the subway. It's gonna be like super loud and stuff. Can I call you later?
Oh, I meant to tell you, I'm thinking of starting a podcast. You know, like where I react to like Earth life and human videos. I think
sorry.
people really want to see that right now, but my dad like wants me to go back to school and this, that.
Oh yeah, that's crazy. Hey, I'm late for a dentist appointment. Can I call you later?
But yeah, something I've been meaning to tell you is I've been feeling a little self-conscious about my weight this summer. Yeah, I know. I've been thinking about getting a gym membership. I saw that Starfleet Fitness was running.
Hey, I'm late for work. Can I call you later?
Oh, before I forget, I think I left my gym shorts in the back of your dad's hovercraft. I know. I don't need them now, but like whenever I see you next, it'd be good to have them. I mean, I think I could work out with these. You know, they're.
Xander, on your phone again? You're fired.
Oh, I think I just lost my job. Can I call you later?
Yeah, anyway, I was so close to asking my mom if she could find a new place to live because honestly, I'm so over her nagging about every little thing, like, have I found a job yet?
That's
but then I remembered,
crazy.
She's like the one who pays all the bills and buys the TV dinners and heats them up for me every night. So where else am I going to find free rent and homemade lasagna, you know? Seriously, but I'd be crazy to give up all that just because she can't stop telling me about being more responsible. You know what I mean, Xander? Xander?
Hey, Dorg, do you ever just wonder why we're here? Are we just cosmic lints stuck in the belly button of the universe waiting for some giant to pick us out and flick us away? Or maybe we're here just to find love? Is our soulmate out there to
It's been a long day. You mind if I call you later?